Are you looking to charge on the go? Today we're taking a look at Satechi's 72-watt USB-C PD car charger, which can charge your MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, as well as your iPhone. Thanks for watching Apple Insider. Don't forget to hit that like button and be sure to hit subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you know when we upload new videos. When Apple switched from MagSafe to USB-C on MacBooks, it made it easier for consumers to charge their laptops on the go. But finding a portable power bank or charging brick for cars that can properly charge is quite difficult and often costs as much as a regular charging brick from Apple. Satechi's new 72-watt USB-C car charger retails for only $30, and it features a USB-C port that supports fast charging, including 60 watts of power delivery to compatible laptops including the MacBook Air and MacBook Pro, which is great if you're commuting for work or on a road trip. Now, it's also equipped with a standard USB-A port with up to 12 watts of power for charging a second device, such as your phone or your Android device. Now, the car adapter comes in two different finishes, including silver with white accents and a space gray option with black accents, which is what we have here. Satechi also highlights that the car charger itself is equipped with a short circuit and over temperature protection to deliver a safe charging experience. So if you're worried that this adapter may explode or catch on fire while you're driving and charging your devices, don't worry because Satechi thought of it beforehand. In terms of build quality, the barrel is made out of high quality plastic, and at the top where the two USB ports sit, it's constructed out of aluminum with chamfered edges. Now, the charger is a little bit taller or longer than usual car chargers, as you can see here, but it'll fit in practically any car. Now, when I travel for work or going on a road trip, I usually carry a 15-inch MacBook Pro with me or my iPad Pro to handle most of my video or my photo editing needs, and while it can charge the iPad Pro just fine at a really fast charging rate, the bigger 15-inch MacBook Pro will end up losing charge since the laptop requires an 87-watt power brick. Now, when a laptop is shut off or it's idle, it'll be able to charge the laptop just fine, but at a slightly slower rate. However, if you're using a MacBook, MacBook Air, 13-inch MacBook Pro, or Apple's 2018 iPad Pros, Satechi's car charger will be able to charge those just fine and at its normal charging rate. Satechi also released an MFI certified USB-C to Lightning cable that retails for $25 that'll be able to provide quick charging experience for your iPhone. Now, the cable itself is made out of a braided nylon material, which helps with durability and also help keep your cables tangle free. The cable is pretty long at 6 feet, and it also supports syncing up to 480 megabits per second, so you can transfer or back up your iPhone to your USB-C equipped Mac. Now, it's also capable of handling fast charging up to 29 watts as long as you're using a charging brick that can provide such speeds like their new 72-watt car charger. Now, if you're looking to pick up Satechi's new USB-C car charger or their USB-C to Lightning cable, we will have those linked down below. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one.
Hey everyone, did you guys like that video? Be sure to click on that like button so we can create content that we know that you guys want to see. And follow Apple Insider on all social media channels. If you want the best prices on any Apple gear, check out the Apple Insider price guide that is updated daily. And until next time, we'll see you later.